Want to raise Robux fast in PLS? Donate? Here's how to do it. Make sure to hit that like and sub if this video helps. Step 1. Set up a clear donation booth. First, make sure your donation booth is eye-catching and easy to find. Customize your stand with a unique and appealing design that grabs attention. The more creative and stand out your booth, the more likely players will donate. Step 2. Use a catchy message or goal. Add a catchy message or goal on your donation booth to encourage people to donate. Whether it's a fun or meaningful message or a specific Robux goal you want to reach, it makes your booth more engaging and shows donors that you're serious. Step 3. Offer rewards for donations. Consider offering rewards for larger donations. It can be anything from a shout out to a custom game feature. This gives people more incentive to donate and helps build a community around your booth. Step 4. Be active and social in the game. Stay active and social in PLS Donate. The more you interact with other players, the more likely they are to donate. Chat with others, show gratitude for donations, and even offer to donate to others to start building a positive reputation. Step 5. Promote your booth outside of PLS Donate. Promote your booth on social media or Roblox groups. Share your booth link in other communities where people are looking for ways to donate Robux. The more eyes on your booth, the more donations you'll get. That's how to raise Robux fast in PLS Donate. Create an engaging booth, offer rewards, and promote it to the right people. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips and comment for any other how-to you might need.